Welcome to our leather factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how ostrich skin is made, step by step.
This process softens the hide and prepares it for tanning.
Check the pH, it's dropping.
Adjusting the flow rate now. Temperature is normalizing.
Every hide is carefully treated to preserve strength and unique texture.
Every piece is inspected for luxury-grade quality.
And that's how ostrich skin is made and tinted, from raw hide to luxury leather.